What's up, pregnant ladies? Colleen here. We are talking about the SI joint and how to relieve some aches and pains that may come along with pregnancy. So, due to relaxin and growing a human, you have a lot of tension on your core structures being stretched out in the front, and they are connected to what's in the back. And a lot of times, things during pregnancy just get a little wonky, and finding relief from providers and movement is awesome. But what is something that you can do every day to help yourself out, feel better, sleep better, move better, is some yoga tune-up tools. So I have a lot of clients that will report SI joint pain right in the middle of their pelvis where it's located. It might be up into their low back. It might feel like it's isolated on one side, or it feels like it's wrapping around. So if you look at some anatomy, you don't have to. There's a lot of things connecting to your SI joint. You have multifidi that run up along your vertebrae, up your spinal column. You have longa, I was really practicing, longissimus, no, I'm missing an I. Another really important two muscle groups on each side running up your vertebrae. Your lats, your glutes, there's so much connecting in your pelvis and that SI joint. So it's doing a lot of stabilizing. It's usually a very stable joint, but in pregnancy, ligaments are getting weak, so muscles and fascia have to pick up the slack, and that can cause aches and pains. So what you're gonna do, take a pair of toted yoga tune-up balls, either plus size, like this, or the regular size, on your side to safely roll to your back. This is the way to keep your core safe and from making diastasis recti start or continue. So we want to keep that core and that front line really safe. You're going to do a mini glute bridge and put the balls right on that SI joint. You may find relief here with your knees bent, or you can straighten your legs to put the total leg weight on and breathe. So whenever we roll, we are taking nice, big, slow inhales and exhales. And with the balls here, because there's two, they're gonna sit beautifully on either side of your vertebrae. We can start to walk ourselves up our spine, or we can move it manually with our hands, just doing a mini glute bridge and walking our way up. If we find space we find a point where it's very tender, stop and relax and breathe. And you can also slide side to side. Maybe you chug up and down a little bit, whatever feels good. The great thing about yoga tune-up and using the balls is that there really isn't hard instructions. You kind of just place the balls where you're feeling tight and then explore, which is really fun body play and helping yourself feel better. So to get out, glute bridge, come on down, do a couple breaths before we turn or roll to our side and push ourselves up with your hands. If you have any questions, please comment or message me directly, but I hope that helps relieve some of the ache you've been feeling from that pesky old SI joint. Have a good day.